Hi, with me Dior. Now I'm going to do unboxing for this USB lithium battery bulb. USB lithium battery bulb. Okay, scope of application. My lighting. Okay. I want to suggest you, and I want to do the unboxing because of it's very bright, very good. Blackout emergency, 3 levels. Then what's this? Powerful magnet. Oh yeah. Okay. And then this is the front. Eight hours battery, and this one on the side. So the one that I bought is actually the 30 watt. There's a version of until 300 watt. So the one I bought is 30 watt, which is the smallest one. I will give the link below, so you can shop also for it. And this one, product features. Okay. Instruction. You have to charge for 6 to 10 hours first. Okay. Behind. Same. So let's unboxing. First in the box, USB charger, cable. I'm having a problem with the autofocus. You don't like use Android, okay. It's Android USB. Okay. And then there's 2 magnets with the sticker. This is actually magnet, and then behind the sticker, so you can stick it on the wall. Example, this is the wall, so stick it, and then you will stick the lamp just on top of it. Okay, now it's a lamp. Okay, 0, I think. This is how it looks. This is the smallest one. There's a 3 version that sell in shopping. So this is the magnet. So in case you put this on the wall, so you just stick it. It's very strong magnet. And then, okay, this is the holder. And USB 5 volt, and also this is the power on and also power off. So example, I turn off the my lights. Okay, example, press 1. This is the most strongest one, number 1, which is press here, and then for the number 2, press just one more, it will more dimmer, and press one more dimmer. That's number 3, and then number 4, like this. Number 5, like emergency light, and it's very bright. I like it so much. And number 6, that's it, off. Okay, so that's it from me. The USB charger light, very powerful one. I recommend you to buy. Bye bye.